Finally, our YouTube channel has been monetized. Yay!
What's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody? Hello everyone, I'm Richa and welcome to our channel Married Friends. A few days back, our YouTube channel has been monetized after posting 175 videos, and let me point out here that we have been posting consistently for around 2 years now. Yes, it took us that much time, but finally it happened. Pat on the back. Anyway, if you don't know, we post videos twice a week, one on Wednesday and one on Friday. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you like our videos, you have been watching our videos, then please subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button because that really helps the video reach more and more people. In today's video, we are going to address certain questions related to YouTube monetization, and these are the questions that comes to our mind the moment we decide to start our YouTube channel. How can we earn money through YouTube? How much money does YouTube pay? What exactly is the process, etc., etc. So if you also have these questions related to YouTube monetization, then I would suggest you to stick around till the end. Well, we decided to make this video because one, we were really happy when we came to know that our YouTube channel has been monetized and we wanted to document it. And second, since we are making videos for quite some time now, and now we also get these kind of questions a lot, so just thought of making a video on YouTube monetization so that everyone can benefit from our YouTube journey. So let's start with the questions directly. First question is, what is the criteria of YouTube monetization? Well, the criteria is very simple. You need just 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in last 12 months. That is it. Very simple. You fulfill both these criteria and you are done. Next question is, how long does it take to reach this monetization criteria? Well, you may take just one day. By posting just one video, you can reach this monetization criteria. But if you ask me, it took us 175 videos posting regularly for around 2 years. It took us that much time to reach this monetization criteria. We reached 1000 subscribers in around 9 months time when we started posting regularly in our YouTube channel. Before that, we started our YouTube channel just randomly as a hobby, and we reached 150 subscribers just like that. So getting 150 subscribers is a little easier because at that time you post your videos to everybody in your family, friends, colleagues, and they subscribe to your channel. So getting that much number is a little easier, but the real journey starts after that. After reaching 1000 subscribers, it took us another 1 year to fulfill the second criteria, which is 4000 hours of watch time. And in this whole time, we experimented a lot with different types of content. We made relationship videos, comedy, sketches, we made food videos, and analyzed what is working for our channel and what is not working for our channel. And over time, we found out that food is something which is giving us relatively better growth. So my point here is that you can also try to experiment with different types of content and see what is working for you and for your channel. And most importantly, your YouTube journey becomes a lot easier if you love what you're doing. Next is, how long does YouTube take to approve your monetization request? See, when we started a YouTube channel and we did our research, everywhere we read similar kind of thing, that once your channel is eligible for monetization, it may take months or even a year or even more than that for YouTube to review and then approve your channel for monetization. Because this whole process is done manually in their end. That means that even when you achieve the monetization criteria, it may take months, year, or even more than that for you to start earning from YouTube. So we were prepared for this, and since this is the lockdown time, we thought that it will take 1 year or even more than that for us to start earning from YouTube. But surprisingly, our channel got reviewed and approved in just 1 day's time. I think we got lucky here. Next question is, can we achieve this monetization criteria inorganically? Now first, let me explain this inorganic growth to you guys in a very simple language. When you self-promote your videos using Google Ads to increase the reach, the views, and the number of subscribers in your channel, that is called inorganic growth. And YouTube does not count the watch time that you get from these paid ads. That means that you need to achieve that 4,000 hours of watch time organically. Your traffic source can be from anywhere but not from advertisements. It might get a little annoying, disappointing at times when you see that you're not getting enough views, and at times you blame YouTube algorithm for this, but just hang in there. That is the only key for this. If you feel low, just take a break, get some fresh air, and start again. And remember, you need to post consistently. Next question is, how much money do we get paid for these videos? Well, it's too early for us to say anything on this because we have just started and we are still analyzing and trying to figure it out. But we will make a video on this, and if you are interested, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that. One thing we have noticed that you get paid according to the number of views in your videos. This is something that we all heard of, but your pay per view is different for different videos. Now, why is it like it? क्यों है, क्या है? We are still trying to figure it out, and we will let you know once we understand this whole process. One more thing, that if you have any copyright content in your videos like the music, then you cannot monetize those videos. So I take music from YouTube audio library and music is free there. So if you want some good free music, then you can look at YouTube free YouTube audio library. Otherwise, there are some paid platform also, so you can search there. So that's all for today's video. If you have any other question, then you can comment down below, or you can reach us on Instagram and we will definitely get back to you. Also, just remember one thing, that everybody's journey is different. So never, I repeat, never ever compare yourself and your channel with any other creator, because trust me, it doesn't help you in any way. We all see YouTube as a very easy and a growing platform, and it looks very exciting. And then we see all the creators who made it really big on YouTube and earning so well just by creating content. But there is another side also, my side of the story. We have been struggling every day since last 2 years, and trust me, it gets really exhausting, disappointing at times, but that's the way it is. Although we did not see any viral video in our channel, but we see growth. We see our community getting bigger from 0 to 3,000 subscribers. We see our views increasing from 50 to 1,000. So I'm repeating here, just hang in there. You will get what you want, what you deserve, if you're persistent and consistent. And if you have watched till here, then please don't forget to hit that like button, because this is another criteria for your channel's growth. So did it? Like the video? Now bye.